Hello and welcome to BlastOne International instructional video in relation to repairing an airless pump leg. How do I know when I need to replace the packers in a pump? The packings are top and bottom. To understand the need to replace the packings, primarily you'll have material or paint escaping from this gland nut from the top of the pump. The gland nut itself creates pressure on the packers. What happens ultimately is the packers will wear from not only the piston travelling through the packings, but also it's indicative to the type of product you're using. Some products are more aggressive on the packings and the pump as opposed to your lighter, lower volume solids products. So say for example a product with silicate in it,